Hello my friends. In my previous video I already showed for you how I do maintenance for fire smoke detector, and my opinion that is not good example to overhaul this sensor which I showed you before. So let me show for you how I do it correctly. Now I have 15 pieces smoke detectors. Now I have overhauled all of this. Like I showed before, I dismount the sensor, open this cover, and this cover have dust. This cover working like a mirror, so it should be always clear. So before I show you how I clean, I take rags and I clean, just like that. Because before only one sensor and I do video more faster. So now I have really maintenance, and how usually I do that. I have brusher, I clean by brusher, only just like that. For remove dust. And our mirrors, it's very good cleaner. So it's enough, it's really enough. After that I take this cover and I wash this. If I use rags, I already can make any scratch. And also when you use rags, you cannot clean very well. I will show you now. I take soap and mix with water. After I wash just like that. So I wanna show you result. Good. So other. This mirror good, but this mirror not so. And also you see, dirty. Dirty. Look at this side. See dust. You already can see that this more dirty than this, and also not so too much scratch. That's why my opinion much better clean only by water than this clean by rags.